Jaworski came back into the starting lineup. Yan ang tinatawag nila lucky charm. Gordon's Gin has not lost.
And tingnan natin kung bibigay sa kanya yung timeout. Si referee ang lapo patungo sa bigay, partner.
Mukha yatang ibibigay kay Mike Musre.
30
That
seconds
timeout. Musre was almost outside the playing court. But then you...
Matalino yun.
Well, a call at the right time for the partners sa NBA starting next season. Hindi na po pwede yan.
Game ng PBA Commissioner's Cup.
Three-point shot! Yes! A big three-point shot na hindi challenge ng defensa ng San Miguel Beat. Dalawa na lang ang laban ng San Miguel.
What a game! Lumapit, laban kay Mike Musre. Nasa likod si Rosella, mutik na maagaw. Inilabas, Chris King. Only 9 seconds shot clock. And a shot shot, niluksin! 9 seconds remaining, only back.
Ito rin yung tira ni Rosella. Wala.
Ward, wala pa rin. And that will do it.
And it will go into overtime. And Gordon's Gin not fouling, which is a good thing to do because both teams in the penalty. And now the crowd so much into it. 5-minute extension, mga kaibigan.
This knockout game is not yet over. Triple V number 2 para kay Chris King. 33 puntos na ang import ng Gordon's Gin. Rosella. Uy, walang bantay, walang depensa ang Gordon's Gin sa gitna. Marlo Aquino was nowhere to be found.
And also Rosella quickly exploiting that.
Nakakakuha ng second win, Tinito. At its best.
Sudden death. Also Rosella shot.
1 point lead.
Back to Chris King.
Rosella, buhay pa ng baseline. Goes up.
Oh, what a move! Also Rosella down the baseline.
At ang San Miguel.
Time for Alaska.
Partner, ito si Baldavid is making things happen here. And what a drive by Baldavid.
And talk about take charge, Baldavid with 4. Abante po ang San Miguel Beer ng 1 puntos. Nasa penalty ng Gordon sa San Miguel Beer. Malinis pa.
Well, keyword sa nangyari ng San Miguel here, and here's Chris King missing the first free throw.
In the semis, si Chris King only averages 62.9%.
It was set up for either Asartono or Rosella to get the ball. Sila kasi ang...
This is the same situation. Rosella making the first free throw.
Kung may pasok ni Rosella ito, look for the quick inbound.
Wala.
Wala.
Rebound nakuha ni Marlo Aquino. Ibinato kay Baldavid. Baldavid is there. He goes all the way. Yes! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy!
Second extension.
What a game, Kinita. And we were telling with a tremendous rebound. Eksakto ang pasa niya. And the same man we were talking to you about, the Flash, Baldavid muli ang nagbigay ng tabla. And we are in the second overtime of this knockout game. The rebound. Siya ang nagdala. Tuloy-tuloy si Baldavid. Oh, the basket!
Wide open lay for...
Kita, partner. Ikaw ang mainit, ikaw ang tumira. Pasok na naman!
And Baldavid is taking over for Gordon's Gin.
Manan Marimao, natapik patungo kay Jeff Ward. And look at Ward, talagang walang mamang ko. Magsunod si Olsen Rosella. Hindi siya
And 33.2 seconds to go.
No matter what happens dito.
Ito si Marlo Aquino, the final slam dunk of the game. And Gordon's Gin will advance to play Alaska in a best-of-7 championship series for the second conference championship.
Gordon's Gin, 3 championships ang kanilang pangkisa. This will be the 13th finals appearance, and the celebration continues. Ako na sa Astrodome, parang nanalo ng kampiyonato, and why not? It's been a war dito sa Astrodome. Marlo Aquino played well. A good block shot laban kay Bong Alvarez. Danny Jaworski leading his charges all the way to the finals for the 3rd straight time. Kinito, 13th finals appearance ng Gordon's Gin.
And for Gordon's Gin, this could be the start of something big. Of course,
They played well. They had the lead to both overtime. They collapsed. Naubusan ng tao. Kumbaga may war of attrition. Sila ang natalo dun sa gerang yon. Again, ang ating VAT 69 player of the game, Baldavid.